A reliable cordless vacuum can be a game changer for your cleaning routine. Without the hassle of cords, you can effortlessly tackle those tricky spots in your home, from tight corners to car interiors. Say goodbye to the frustration of cords getting caught on furniture, disrupting your cleaning flow. While cordless vacuums have made significant advancements in battery life, they still can't match the unlimited runtime of corded models. However, for many, the convenience and flexibility they offer outweigh this limitation. We've compiled a list of the top 5 cordless vacuums, highlighting their unique features to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. Black Decker Powerseries Extreme Cordless Vacuum. Are you tired of pet hair taking over your home? This cordless vacuum is designed to tackle fur and messes with ease. Its innovative brush bar prevents hair from clogging the bristles, ensuring efficient cleaning every time. With multiple speed settings, it's suitable for various floor types, from hardwood to carpets. Its versatile design allows it to lay flat for reaching under furniture or transform into a handheld vacuum for those hard-to-reach spots like corners and stairs. Number 4. Shark Stratos Cordless HX1. Introducing the Shark Stratos, a cutting-edge addition to the renowned lineup of cordless vacuum cleaners. While we focused on the cordless model, this innovative technology is also available in corded and upright versions, known as the Shark Stratos Cordless, with CleanSense IQ IZ862H in the US, and the Shark Stratos Anti-Hair Wrap plus Cordless Vacuum 1 Battery IZ400 UK in the UK. We were impressed by its intuitive CleanSense IQ technology, which adjusts suction power based on the amount of dirt on the floor, enhancing dirt pickup by up to 50%. Moreover, its anti-odor feature integrated into the floor head keeps unpleasant smells at bay. With an anti-hair wrap brush bar and a flexible wand, this vacuum is ideal for households with pets and versatile enough to reach under furniture. While it excels in most areas, it may struggle with narrow spaces, but fear not, as it comes with crevice and multi-surface tools to tackle those spots. Number 3. Miele Triflex HX1. For those considering an upper mid-range vacuum, the Miele Triflex HX1 offers exceptional versatility. This uniquely designed cordless vacuum easily transforms into a stick, upright, or handheld vacuum, adapting seamlessly to various cleaning tasks. Crafted from high-grade plastic, it boasts durability and functionality. However, its smaller dirt compartment and limited battery life, just over 30 minutes, may not suffice for extended cleaning sessions. Alternatively, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim, priced similarly, offers superior battery performance, albeit with a smaller dustbin. With remarkable performance on bare floors and carpets, its surface detection system ensures optimal cleaning results. Plus, it automatically stops the brush roll if it encounters any tangles, ensuring hassle-free operation. Number 2. Dyson V11 Animal. Familiar with Dyson vacuums? If so, it's no surprise that the Dyson V11 Animal tops the charts. This stick vacuum is a force to be reckoned with, effortlessly tackling every cleaning task we threw its way. From high-pile rugs to vinyl tile, it excelled on all surfaces, leaving no trace of dirt or dust behind. Thanks to its lightweight design, weighing just 6.68 pounds, and swivel head, maneuvering around the room was a breeze. Its performance on carpets and rugs was particularly impressive, effortlessly capturing pet fur and debris. The V11 Animal offers 3 modes: Boost, Auto, and Eco, catering to various cleaning needs. While Auto mode sufficed for most tasks, Boost mode came in handy for deep cleaning plush carpets. Despite its robust performance, the V11 Animal boasts a generously sized 0.2-gallon dustbin, minimizing the need for frequent emptying. Additionally, it comes with 4 attachments, each serving a specific purpose. Whether vacuuming upholstery or tight corners, the V11 Animal delivers consistent results. However, it's worth noting 2 minor drawbacks. The power button requires continuous pressure, and it doesn't stand on its own. Despite these quirks, the V11 Animal's impressive performance and versatility make it a standout choice for any household. Number 1. Tineco PURE ONE S11. Searching for affordability without compromising versatility? Look no further than the Tineco PURE ONE S11. This budget-friendly vacuum boasts features typically found in higher-end models. Equipped with a built-in dirt sensor, it automatically adjusts suction power when tackling heavily soiled areas, ensuring thorough cleaning. Additionally, its onboard HEPA filter effectively traps allergens, promoting cleaner air quality. While its performance on bare floors is impressive, it struggles with embedded debris on low-pile carpets. However, its affordable price point is reflected in its build quality, which feels less durable compared to competitors like the Miele Triflex HX1. For a mid-priced alternative with better carpet cleaning capabilities, consider the Samsung Jet 16. Although it lacks the Tineco's automatic suction adjustment feature and may not perform as well on bare floors, it offers a viable option for carpeted areas. And with that, we conclude our list of top cordless vacuums. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments which cordless vacuum you'll be choosing. Thanks for tuning in, and that's a wrap for this video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, show your support by giving it a like. And to stay updated on future videos, hit the subscribe button. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.